Hey kids, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Allen. I've had a lot of fun looking around the house for unique things to draw for you guys, and today I have one of my favorite toys, a magic 8-ball. Will they enjoy this draw along? Signs point to yes, sweet. So all you're gonna need for this one is a pencil and a piece of paper. So grab your stuff, remember to pause, and let's get started.
I know I said pencil, but I decided to do this project with markers. You can achieve the same effects with shading using pencil, charcoal, or oil pastel. Start by drawing or tracing a large circle, like a coffee mug. I used the bottom of Yoda to trace a smaller circle towards the top of the larger one. Now I'm going to use value to color and create a sphere. Starting with a light cool gray, like Ohuhu's CG2, I created the next to lightest parts of the sphere, leaving the lightest areas white and fading the marker out from there. Next, using warm gray, I made slightly darker shades. By blending this level gray into the lightest gray, you can make smoother transitions, therefore starting to create the 3D sphere. Using a dark cool gray, like CG6, create the next darker level of shading. Color darkest next to the warm gray, and make sure to leave the whitest highlights alone. Darken this side of the 8-ball, stroking back and forth with your marker to round out the sphere. I then used the warm gray to blend in the dark gray. Next, using black, create the darkest shadows and edge the sphere, blending black into your dark cool gray. You can tighten your picture up by erasing any lines, such as the one on the small circle where the light shines. Now we need to draw the number 8. I used a series of short lines to make block letters, and I alternated between vertical, horizontal, and diagonal lines. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.